Integrating active learning approaches in language learning. Four of the recent active learning approaches introduced to enhance the teaching learning process are inquiry based learning or IBL, research based learning, problem based learning, and project based learning. In inquiry based learning and research based learning, there is a three steps. Number one is the KWL chart. In step one, we need to familiarize yourself with the concept of KWL chart. Analyze the contents of the chart and think of how you can use this chart in facilitating your language lessons. In this, you need to know the process of learning. Step 2. Starting with an essential or big question. Since inquiry based learning usually starts with essential or big questions that elicit varied answers from the respondents. Think of a question that you would like to ask your students relevant to a specific lesson in your language class. In step 2, we need to think of a question that relevant to a specific lesson in our language class. Some
Some
example
example
questions
questions
may
may
be:
be,
why
why
do
do
we
we
need
need
to
to
learn
learn
how
how
to
to listen?
listen? Why is there a need to be engaged in public speaking? How do teachers with special learning needs to communicate? How do we know the language struggles and the stories of the people of long ago? Those are some of example questions that you will need in the step 2. Nature of inquiry-based learning. Inquiry, it is the simplest definition, is a process of asking questions. This has spurred the innumerable developments that we continue to enjoy in our society today. Inquiry based learning, or IBL, as an approach essentially involves tasks requiring learners' active participations in finding answers to a curricular questions. It means inquiry is all about asking questions. And in inquiry based learning or IBL, it means the students or participants need to find the answers in a curricular questions.